If you're tired of looking at your stomach and wishing it looked different, this workout is for you. We're going to target your core, raise your heart rate, and get your body moving, all without getting on the floor. No equipment, no jumping around. Just simple movements that work. Let's get started. Exercise 1. We're starting with cross-standing crunches to activate the entire core right away. Drive your elbow across toward the opposite knee and squeeze your abs at the top of every rep. This movement works both your abs and obliques together, helping tighten and strengthen your waist over time. Don't rush through it. Stay controlled with every crunch. The more focused you are here, the harder your core has to work. You've already started. That's the hardest part. Exercise 2. Now we're moving into trunk twists. Keep your arms up at chest height, plant your feet firmly, and rotate through your waist. This movement targets your obliques, the muscles along the sides of your core that help shape and tighten your midsection. Keep your hips facing forward and let your waist control the movement. Slow and controlled is always better than fast. You should already feel the sides of your stomach working. That burn is exactly what we want. Exercise 3. Next up, toe touch twists. Keep your feet wide and reach across your body toward the opposite foot. Feel the stretch through your waist with every rep. This movement trains both the front of your abs and the sides of your core at the same time. Reach a little farther every rep. The deeper the reach, the more your core has to engage. Your body is fully warmed up now. Keep pushing through every rep. Exercise 4. Keep both hands raised overhead and drive your knees up one at a time with a slight twist. Keeping your arms up forces your core to stay engaged through the entire set. It also keeps your heart rate elevated, helping you burn more calories during the workout. Stay upright. Don't lean back. The more stable your body stays, the harder your abs have to work. You're building momentum now. Exercise 5. Take your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your arms at chest height and rotate side to side. The wider stance puts more tension on your obliques with every twist. A lot of people only focus on the front abs, but your obliques are what help create a tighter looking waistline. Feel your core working every single rep. Your abs are fully activated now, and this is where real progress starts happening. Exercise 6. Keep your body moving with quick, light steps while driving your knees upward on every stride. This movement helps burn calories while keeping your core active the entire time. Even though it feels like cardio, your abs are constantly working to stabilize your body. Stay light on your feet and keep a steady pace. Don't slow down now. This is the middle of the workout, and maintaining the intensity here is what makes the biggest difference later. Your core worked hard today, and that's exactly how real change happens over time. Save this workout so you can come back tomorrow for day 2. Comment day 1 below so you can track your progress through the full 7 days. The people who stay consistent are always the ones who see the best results.